Well, y'all, this right here is welcome to Baton Rouge. Any of you people who are not familiar with this, truckers dread Baton Rouge here on I-10. Trying to get up to cross the river bridge, it is a cluster muck. I said muck, not the other words, y'all. Get your minds out the gutters. But this place is absolutely ridiculous. It's only 3:57 here, local time. And it's like this all the time. And then, you know, on Fridays, it's even worse. It's bad enough on a regular day. I mean, see, they stop, they go. They stop, they go. They stop, they go. You'll come to almost a complete stop. The next thing you know, everybody takes off doing like freaking 40, 50, 60 miles an hour. And then you come to a freaking stop again. Then you get going, do about freaking 45, you come to a stop. I've never understood that concept of why can't you just keep a steady pace? Why's it gotta be stop and go, stop and go? I've been in the stop and go probably for about 30 minutes now, and I finally decided to start filming now that we're getting close to the bridge. Of course, the only reason to film is actually I want y'all to see the bridge and see, you know, crossing over the channel for those who don't get to travel, those who actually, you know, want to see something different. I just figured I'd start filming to show you this, but you know, it's been stop and go, stop and go, stop and go for about 30 minutes now. About 20, 30 minutes. Absolutely insane. I mean, you got a poor ambulance right up there coming. Well, how's he gonna get anywhere? I mean, of course, you got Louisiana State Patrol right there, but, you know, he ought to see the ambulance coming up and he ought to put his sirens on, you know, trying to start clearing people out some. But drivers absolutely dread running through Baton Rouge, especially on a Friday. And this place usually starts about 2:45, and it's 4:59 East Coast time, so 3:59 local time here, almost
either
4.
of the two left lanes.
And this starts about 2:45, 3 o'clock. So yeah, it's full on yuck. But hopefully y'all get some views. I've got my seat on the floor. The airbag's lowered all the way down, so maybe you can see under this. And actually see, because like I said, with it on my head, at least I've got both hands free, so nobody can say nothing. I ain't holding the phone, it's on my head. We got the Cyclops cam vision going on. Got like WandaVision on Marvel Comics. Well, we got Tourette's vision. That's what I ought to call this. What y'all think about the nickname? Should we call it Tourette's vision? Got WandaVision, now we got Tourette's vision. Get to see what I see. Bird's eye view, Tourette's vision. We'll change the name from Cyclops Cam to Tourette's vision.
Continue on I-10.
But then you see on the other side there, that's the bridge coming off with them poor guys over there coming on. That's the I-10 coming over the bridge, coming on. Of course, the oncoming traffic there is Interstate 110. Yeah, that's coming from Interstate 110. But around the curve over there, that one lane, well, only the left lane, so you really only have one lane, because that right lane over there is an exit only. So you really only have one lane coming from 10 when you get over the bridge over there. So I don't know if y'all can. There we go. If you can maybe see through right over there, that far right lane is actually an exit only lane when you get around this curve here. So truly you only have that one left lane over there coming from I-10, and you can see them back all the way around over the bridge up here. So that's what it's like, y'all. As I say, welcome to Baton Rouge. Like this every day at this time, but it's even worse on Fridays. Everybody's in too much of a hurry. They drive like idiots. They got to get to the juke joint. Ooh, I got to go home, get a shower so I can go out and get my beer on. Billy's got to put his beer goggles on. I need to go get drunk. Or as we used to say about someone that I know, or as they say, someone that I used to know. Shall we say an ex? We ain't gonna say what part, we'll just say an ex. Yeah, Look up Albert Collins, fellas. I ain't drunk, I'm just drinking. They was always drunk. Yeah, I had an ex that was always drunk. She had to go get her drunk on. I ain't drunk, I'm just drinking. Used to play that song a lot. Albert Collins, gotta love the blues. I love me some blues music. Man, I love some blues music. B.B. King, Stevie Ray Vaughan. Freaking, you can kind of consider Eric Clapton. He's got some blues to him. Muddy Waters. Love me some good blues music. But yeah, you know, I ain't drunk, I'm just drinking. Need to get out from behind here so I can see. Okay, there we go. And on the water here, they have casinos, which I don't know what this building is, but I've always loved this building right here. You see a stadium over there. I always love this building right here on the water with all that glass right there. And of course, you can see a boat out there. You can see the casino boats right here. Of course, they're like permanently anchored out here because hey, they're not on land. They're on water, so you know, they're legal. You got all your grain ships over here loading grain. All your barges out there docked. First time I've ever seen a ship actually tied up out there in the middle with a barge hooked up to it. But yeah, this is the Baton Rouge Bridge, y'all. Got your ship over there. I don't know if you can see it, but the back end of the ship is a lot further down in the water than the nose. The nose is definitely up higher. So I guess, you know, yeah, it looks like they're unloading them or loading them. Looks like there was a chute inside of it where they're loading grain. So it's kind of cool. I've always liked coming across the bridge here and looking at the water and looking at all the ships and the barges tied up here, y'all. And of course, as y'all can see over there, you can see all your oil tanks. Oh no, that's got to be sucked for one to be broke down in the right lane right there. Oh Lord, oversized. But see all your oil tanks out there. Can't see them that good now, but they're all out there behind everybody. Got your auto loading here for the rail cars. But yes, now we can finally get moving, ladies and gentlemen. This is an easy day today. The whole run is only 731 miles, well 754 miles from Deadhead to where I loaded at this morning to where I deliver at Monday morning. 754 miles, but it's only 731. Yeah, 731 to where I'm going to stop. I'm stopping at the TA in Baytown, Texas. I'm going to do my reset there, stop for the weekend, and head on over there to the last 23 miles on Monday morning. But no need in rushing and pushing it, so I'm actually going to stop in Louisiana today. Then when I get up in the morning, all I have to do is drive 181 miles and I'm there. I'm at TA and I'll park and shut down in Baytown, so I'll get to sleep in. Which me, sleeping in, yeah, I'll still probably get up at freaking 6 or 7 o'clock. That way I'm there by between 9 and 10. Then I've got basically all day tomorrow and all day Sunday to do what I want to do. I'm going there at TA. I know I can drop a trailer. I know I need to run to Walmart, get some cat food. Poor old Thor's almost out of food. He's gonna want some foodage. He looking at me like, excuse me, there's a hole in my dish. Won't you put some in it? Sorry, son, I'm out. You're out. But actually, I've got enough food for a couple more days, so we're good on food. But I do need to get it because this will be my one chance here this weekend, and got to get it while I'm on a reset. So after that, there's no guarantee that I'll be able to get to a Walmart to get it, so I better get it because I will run out before next weekend. Come on, brother. Come on, tanker. Well, I flashed my lights. He didn't come out, so let's get on with it, y'all. All right, y'all. We hope y'all have y'all a good, safe, blessed weekend, and we will holler at y'all later. Peace out.
You can't touch this. You can't touch this. You can't touch this. You can't touch this.